According to today's reports, Wales has taken the next step in implementing a new currency. In the words of the crypto analytics service, SHIB news is broken. Well-known Ethereum holders dumped almost $6.5 million worth of SHIB in the last 2 days, notwithstanding the enormous sell-offs that occurred within the time frame under review. The decline in the price of the cryptocurrency was very small, coming in at 6% versus the dollar and 3.5% against Bitcoin. Today, we'll talk about the mysterious disappearance of Shiba Inu coins and the fate of the pooches depicted on those coins in the hands of whales. The video for today is a bomb, so make sure to watch it all the way through. As promised, here is today's installment of Crypto Insider, your daily dose of Shiba instinct. You found the ideal place if you're keen on learning more about Shibas. Subscribing will keep you ahead of the curve in the crypto industry with the latest SHIB news forecast. Check out the graph below to see how the price of Shiba has been trending as of January 2nd. Before we get into our main point, it's worth noting that the Shiba Inu breakout comes roughly 10 days after the Shiba Inu broke out of its prominent cup and handle pattern on December 14. This increases the likelihood of the Shiba Inu's price climbing by as much as 50% in the coming weeks. When the price first drops and then rises in a U-shaped trajectory, followed by a sharp move sideways or down, this is known as a take-up and handle pattern. Note that the price movement is developing below the persistent resistance level. When the price finally breaks over the resistance level, the cup and handle pattern is usually resolved. On the 14th of December, SHIB increased prices by 27% to 16 cents, as forecasted by technical analysis. When determining a cup and handle pattern's breakout target, traders add the distance between the pattern's bottom price and its resistance line. Therefore, she could get to about 3 cents, 2.25 cents if nothing else is spent. This means a 50% increase in price by September. Now, let's get back to the issue at hand. A trillion SHIB, currently worth $73.5 million and representing 1.5% of the Shiba Inu token, is still in the possession of the 100 greatest extinct whales, making this asset the third largest in this investor group's portfolio after various forms of Ethereum and stablecoins. The contemporary atmosphere in and around Shiba Nest can be described as teetering on the edge between positive and bad features. However, SHIB's 30% week-over-week increase in market cap put it ahead of Solana and Doge and into first place on CoinMarketCap, urging investors to consider SHIBarium. Shiba Inu finally delivers the Layer 2 solution everyone has been waiting for. When large and medium-sized investors sell off positions worth millions of dollars, it puts additional downward pressure on quotes, such as the SHIB price. She is still afloat despite this, having made it through the worst of the bear market's initial 6 months. Maybe the most interesting thing about Shiba Inu is that they are just getting started. The second largest holding of Crypto.com members has been shown to be the Shiba Inu SHIB, which is encouraging. When asked how much of their users' funds were stored on the exchange or SHIB, one of the largest cryptocurrency trading platforms for retail crypto investors said 20%. According to the Nansen dashboard, about $2.7 billion worth of tokens are held in crypto, making this value the SHIB owned by the exchange at around $540. The majority, 31.19% of the exchange's reserves, are now held in Bitcoin BTCC, followed by EtherRed, 16.97%. CryptoPump CEO Chris McCulloch has promised that in 8 weeks' time, the exchange will disclose a more comprehensive audited breakdown of its reserve, proving that all customer holdings are fully Neon-backed. He further mentioned that in the next weeks, the company would provide a thorough audited proof of reserves demonstrating the full Neon reserve of all customer assets. Following the FTC's demise, the exchange made a commitment to its customers to be more transparent. Customers could rest easy, Marcelic informed them, because CryptoPump's exposure to FTX was only about $10 million, compared to our worldwide sales, which have exceeded $1 billion for the past 2 years running. I think in his mind it's a really small deal. The largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume of trading, Binance, has also disclosed a change in its cold wallet addresses. Binance CEO Peng Zhao has issued a warning to investors. Keep an eye out for red flags that signal a crisis in the Bitcoin startup industry. If investors are this bullish, how high can SHIB go? Crypto.com has openness about their large SHIB reserves. The Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin has not fared well. CoinMarketCap reports that the cost of one SHIB has dropped by 3% in the previous 24 hours to a current value of about 9 cents. From its all-time high of 87 cents in October 2021, this price is a whopping 18%, 9.1% drop. Despite this, proponents of SHIB have maintained a long-term bullish stance on the token's potential to rise in value, with some projecting that it may eventually be worth $5. This is as a result of the rapid expansion of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which includes the creation of a much-anticipated metaverse, the token's growing use as a payment method, and token burns that diminish the token supply. The worth of the SHIB and Dogecoin has increased by 30%, which is also fantastic news. Since late October, when the leading crypto markets, meme coins soared by more than 120%. The value of one brand-new Shiba Inu has risen 30% against Dogecoin. SHIB's price has increased, albeit not as dramatically as that of its main competitor. In contrast, Dogecoin closed the weekly candle against Doge 95% higher, while the Shiba Inu token was down 39.83%. According to Binance, things began to change on November 2nd. A reversal of the downtrend, or a correction of the downtrend, is shown clearly in the graph below. The relative price of switching to Doge, however, has risen by more than a third, suggesting a change. Shiba Inu's position against Doge currency has been bolstered by the recent decline of the crypto market, which was caused by the bankruptcy of the main exchange FTX. After a 29.6% drop in Doge's value, only 18.7% less SHIB was spent. This allowed SHIB to have a higher market capitalization than Alana alone, something that seemed highly improbable a week ago. Developers working on the long-awaited Layer 2 protocol sidebar also started doing this about this time. As a result of the success of Shiba Maternity, the long-awaited Sheet Bomb has allegedly entered alpha testing. The Shiba Inu and Unification development teams are putting it their all to win this match. Our time together today is at an end. Please note that we are not a financial advisory service and are not recommending any particular firm or investment to you through this medium. Simply put, the goal of this channel is to bring you educational programming in the comfort of your own home. You should do a lot of research into the topic from several angles before putting your money into anything. We're glad you could make it through the video. Please let us know in the comments if you own a Shiba, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. We hope to see you again here at Crypto Insider soon.